Hi, I'm Emma, and in this video, we're going to talk about tracking URLs. Tracking URLs help businesses understand where users are coming from, whether this was an organic search, a referral from a different website, or by direct traffic. For example, if your business has a campaign advertising on Facebook, a tracking URL on Google Analytics will show how much traffic, if any, you're generating from that campaign. Tracking campaigns are also helpful if you're running multiple campaigns at the same time. For example, if you're running SEO and pay-per-click campaigns, both are grouped as organic traffic, making it difficult to measure the efficacy of each campaign. But this can be avoided by using tracking URLs, and will also provide insights into page views per visit, average time spent on site, percentage of visitors, and bounce rate for each campaign. Google Analytics makes it simple to create tracking URLs using URL Builder. You'll enter information for a tracking URL for each campaign, including UTM medium, for example, email, UTM content, which is the name of the campaign, UTM source, which is the source name, such as Facebook, UTM term, which is the text for the link, and a unique code identifier. You can also generate tagged URLs manually. Either add them to your campaign source code or use the Insert Hyperlink button in the email editor. Just make sure to pay attention to the link in the address bar because everything beyond the question mark is tracking information. Please let us know in the comments how tracking URLs helped you categorize traffic sources more efficiently. Give us a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.
Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.